It's fair. I understand. But like since then, like it's good when she checks me sometimes. But it's like I realized like, I just need clear consensus. Shit to tell people. My lights. So it's just non-stop last week, just locking in. Here's the playbook. Number 2, take care of yourself so you take care of others. Number 3 is new mantra I unlocked. I've been doing this. There's peace and power in all your purpose. Do you want a purpose? Get you some fucking purpose. Take care of them. Do everything they need. So 100%. And keep going. People were figuring that shit out on their own too. I could not stop. Like,
it's nuts. Like, just they're so far. Like, they're even venturing up north near us.
They're everywhere.
Yeah, I know. It's insane.
They're on the Tucson south side. I'm on a 5-person group chat with my best college friends. Like, big Dan's, like native, everything, Tucson. They're creeping all over Tucson. They just got there. My friend from Colorado Springs, principal at the shittiest high school there. She could take. They offered her like the easiest one. The superintendent was like, "This isn't it." They've been hunting there since the start of the school. That's like
Because you have such a mixture.
Well, and just that town is fucking not in the place.
No.
But it needs to stop here. I think it's a way to.
For sure. I mean, that's a basement.
I think they're wrong town.
Yeah. And it's like, that's where...
That's why Chirp Jeff, I've already been talking to him about explaining to him like the history of Broomball and the Minneapolis Trip. It's like bars sponsor these teams.
Yeah.
So I finally got him locked in. Dude, just give me $250.
I saw was MSNBC on my Apple News. Popped that up picture.
Yeah. No, like I love it.
It was
like the viral shit is
like,
all people I know.
It was legit on like mainstream news on the top story on it.
We're not fucking around.
This is like they raised 200 G's and all that's not just money, not even like all the shit they've been doing.
This is our fucking city, dude. This is our city. You picked the wrong motherfuckers. And that's why like going into Longfellow, like awesome. Guys, we're not fucking around. Stop all the bullshit. Let's just play Broomball. This is like the one place I feel like
let's keep it a good
like
good space.
even like going back over to that week I went to each family game in fellow that Sunday and just like deciding to go over there. On the way back I went to Overland. Like I wasn't planning on it. And I was like I couldn't do it.
Don't let them change you.
Yeah, but then I just the ice is where I feel good. When I told those little fucking nerds. I saw boys that I need college. I was like, listen, I
think they're all just too stupid to even realize any fucking thing.
I'm fucking over it.
I think a lot are, which is awesome.
It's the worst thing. I'm so ready. I would have been pissed against this. Most of them are oh yeah, the fucking reaching 6 minutes.
Yes. Want to be little trench covering motherfuckers.
Dude, listen, I've been posting a lot of Prince. Listen to the Prince song. And it's like, not the chorus, but like the words, it like tells, it's like a prophecy. It's Prince talking about an angel that came and tells my story.
I'll have to get that a listen.
I have to get back on my weird shit sometimes. So you know how like the kid, I'm coaching middle school, and I'll sneak in a 6-7. And no one knows where 6-7 came from. No one's sure exactly what it means. Prince fucking Prince's birthday is 6-7. And listen to song 7.
I like it. I'm gonna give it one.
It's like, tell me, bro, did not fucking get a prophecy from an angel talking about lightning in his city.
And that's, I was just watching an old interview with him. The whole keeps on the bed.
I just posted that shit.
Yeah.
The Oprah interview.
I saw that shit, yeah. Too true, man.
Yeah.
Too true, and
there's this bar. Where's
yeah.
these things at? These are really good. Just at Walgreens. I have some friends that are into weird candy. I mean, that's a good year.
Everybody's me and Ben.
You're all jacked up on candy.
Me and Ben are big candy guys.
Yeah.
And we always
Which ones
buy
are those?
weird shit.
Yeah, Walgreens has some deals.
And he's like, I've never seen these before. And I was like, I haven't. They're great.
My wife was eyeing them. She hasn't been drinking as much. She's got the alky in her blood, and the alky's like the candy when they're not drinking. I'm glad you like it. You won those fair and square.
They're delicious.
We'll get you next time. Yeah, so it's a historic year for Browns.
Yeah.
Auburn's fucking.
I like it. I like
It's just
it.
like holding it down in the front.
Outdoor tuning.
And Cobra's going to. We're going to Northern next year. I already got it planned out. They don't know it yet. You guys don't know it yet.
Good.
No, you're coming.
Let me know.
Yeah.
I know.
Bring the fam.
Bring at least the missus.
I'm telling you,
At least the missus.
I'm telling you, like, bring the kids.
Yeah.
So, like,
No, I
me
know.
and Maddie
Those places are way more like accepting having kids.
and just traveling
with
so
yeah,
easy.
yeah.
There's money. And the Northerners, it's not like Italian. They're like Austrians. We're going.
I'm down.
I just got to propose my lifetime blood pact alliance with
With your Italian
my
girl.
Highlander friends.
There you go. There
I
you
got a
go.
couple of them, yeah. But like the one younger one that I sauced an apple for the one goal against the Canadian team. I've been telling him a bunch of stories. He's just been sending me shit. And I'm realizing like, oh, you're a game nigga too.
Is he? So do they do like shit year round then?
Yeah.
That's what's up.
Yeah, I didn't really understand what he was on until he sent in his some gigs last week.
That's what's up.
Got an outdoor tournament going.
Oh, that's tight.
So all these dudes wanted to ask me about was outdoor Broomball.
Yeah.
What's it? It's gotten too warm here.
Oh yeah.
It's like where the Olympics are. We're going. It's gonna be epic. What I'm hoping it'll be is a 4-team one-day tournament, and then the next day will be like a draft. Some 4 captains.
There you go. Mix it up.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And all their rinks have fucking legit.
Oh yeah. There you go.
Like they're
Posted
on
up.
our level. They're on our level.
That sounds like some straight northern Minnesota shit right there. All the rinks with curling rinks and all that with bars in it.
Yeah. I just mean they're not like Broomball nerds. They're Broomball fucking
They have fun.
fuckboy warlords.
Yeah,
I guess.
yeah.
The Germans will come. Those dudes will fucking drink.
Yeah.
I had all this Woodford I had gotten off the plane, and they had it in my flask, and they just were walking away. They didn't have any-
That's so fun.
They didn't have any sport beer, but I needed beer.
So fun.
They said German beer.
Can't drink some pills? Is it kind of
No, it has
sports?
a heavy shit.
Oh yeah.
They had like a big glass.
Yeah,
I'll take what I
gotta
can.
chew it.
Yeah, I was the only Minnesotan there. I was the ambassador.
That's
I'm, like
sick.
I'm the perfect guy for it. I am a retard. I've never had so much fun in my life, honestly.
Yeah. That sounds like
It was so
lot
good.
of fun.
It was so good.
So much fun.
And then the Canadians, it's like, I don't get to the banquet and they hated me because I was just jerking the fuck out of them during the And I was just like, maybe I'm totally And I'm like, friends with them for 10 minutes.
Yeah.
And I'm like,
You're like, we're not playing.
they're
We
putting
can
these
just
in
have
my
fun,
mouth.
dude.
And I'm
Let's
just like,
go.
I don't, like, I'm already like up here. I don't need like actual entertainment. It's too much. And then Maddie's digging around my bag and we're running low on Zins. And she like begs me not to bring Zins.
Yeah.
Of course, I had some overdoses before the party. She finds it like, fine, I'm giving the Canadians. You know? I'm making sure they know what they're doing, and when I'm just like, oh yeah, one time I fucking took like 5 grams and whatever. They always, took like 6. I'm like, oh, he has a retard.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
They're like maybe 20, 22.
Just living life.
Yeah, I love these boys.
That is awesome.
Maybe they'll come to the fucking. It'll be the King of Wands. The King of Wands Cup or something like that.
Oh, yeah.
Sick. That sounds sick.
Something crawled on my butt in there. I don't know what it is. They have like weird mythology up there. Dwarves, I googled it once.
Yeah.
So whatever crawled on my butt is maybe really powerful. And all I know is like give it to Grodies every once in a while and it stays alive.
Oh yeah. I'm a big fan. All right, so we're good. We're good.
Mothership Pizza just opened on it's on the Minneapolis side, 51st City France.
Okay. Yeah.
And my guy Jakey that I've been helping to camp, he's like one of my Padawans. He made sous chef there. It's just great. So
That's sick.
I roll up there. Like I went on my way home from SLP, Peroni and a fucking Negroni. And my fucking
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
So yeah, we'll see you on Thursday.
Yeah, that'll be fun.
It is crazy. Just being in it, you know, I'm glad you did it.
Yeah.
I got no time for people.
I'm trying to
Especially if you say murder.
Yeah.
Like I'm done.
No, it's like
The Smiths are.
it's like you are beyond Kool-Aid level.
Yeah.
If you can't even admit, like.
And the shit I'm on right now, like I have to keep my back clear, so I think of you.
Yeah.
Speak that.
It's like how the fucking spade is spade, man. Like keep your bullshit on the door.
Like master your algorithm, but you master your life.
Oh yeah.
It's like you're on the wrong side of history. Like, this is like I'm half Jewish, man.
You are the Kool-Aid drinker. Shit will hopefully come through.
Figure it the fuck out. What these fucking I don't know why. I could just have a fucking drink. There's so much of it, dude. And then chain them down and put on the right needle songs.
Make them actually think for once in their life instead of just anything just straight out.
Did you get Ben McLean's homegrown?
I don't think so.
It was so good. And of course he's getting balls and shit. And it was not
Yeah.
just saying, you know, this is what we are.
Soft ass guys already. But
I mean, it's a big community, but basically like
fucking softies.
the moral of the story is like, there's a lot going on. If your family needs anything, we're here for it.
Yeah.
Not provocative.
Yeah. People are just hating on it or what?
No, it's fine. I mean, he's mad. He's fine.
Oh yeah, no, I know that, but it's like
But I was talking to him right after he said it, 'cause I read it. And I
I
was
mean,
just
it's not
like, dude,
surprised that you have such a diverse social group you're going from, like across all of them. you know? So that's
bud?
surprising.
You spotted cow?
Roughly.
You spotted cow?
No, I got hot blue lights
Oh,
here.
nice.
If you need one, you know, change your flavor.
I do.
All right.
I got a convert. You know what the best wort beer in the world?
This.
It's so good.
Yeah, it's delicious.
It's so affordable.
I learned it from watching you, Dad.
You wish.
I know everywhere they carry it now.
Richfield.
Richfield Liquors, yep. Total Wine.
Yep.
Total Wine, it looks like they sent them down like a flight of steps though. I looked at the box, I don't think that's even going to make it out.
Hey,
Richfield Liquors. 15 pack is cheaper than
per beer, you see?
Oh, okay. It's like it should be.
You do it
mathematically. It's a trick. I don't think I could hit that hard.
I know.
You need one? You need a...
Alright. I was gonna go steal one of his, but this sounds better.
Yeah. He asked for 12 beers, and I was like, 12 beers?
It's Broomball.
They were right next to each other, and I was like, why? I have to carry it to the counter anyways.
I got a Richfield Liquors, get my scratch offs, get my big bag of ice, and get, depending on the week, like 2 to 3 15 packs.
Yeah.
Yeah. 115er is a fucking one remote.
Exactly.
Throwing in some exotics, you know.
You're playing park to park.
Here's not playing last night. Fucking I was not going.
Amen. It's like whatever, and then then the schedule comes up for the playoffs, and we got the bye.
I love it.
Isn't that wonderful? I was like, we lost last week. We're juicy.
Take it.
Based on last.
It goes off historical.
Yeah,
It's
yeah.
like the college football
I was
playoffs.
like, we'll take it. Exactly.
It's like, I know they're better teams, so they get there it
So
is.
we want to see Mortimers and Wranglers play anyways.
Oh, yeah.
It's way more fun.
Who would you get in the semi?
So we got Lou.
I mean, Lou, I think the Wings are better. I never beat the Wranglers. I've only played them, so I'll take them.
So the Loons versus.
It's
Yeah, Sally.
the Moose are great. Guys.
The Bones are
Southside Raiders. They were at the Broomball tournament too. They were training Monday.
Okay.
And they know all our young kids. Really good dudes. Their captain plays Ice Mafia. Really nice guy.
Oh yes, I recognize.
Vibes are like perfect in the parade. Even Mortimer's is like chill out. So good. Goody loves it.
Good night.
He's still out there.
Oh yeah. And Monday was cold, so I knew I couldn't bring beer, so I had one thermos of decaf coffee and fucking Buffalo Trace cream, like the Baileys, and then one apple cider whiskey, and I just had fucking goodies.
Oh yeah. When he would have us over at Bloomington back in the day, he'd be saddling up for a pull when we call our timeouts.
He knows which bench to hang out.
Oh yeah. He's good shit.
Goody loves no Broomball player more than Max Thompson.
I think it was back in the days when I was doing Hex. When I was playing for them back, way back in the day. Yeah.
With Noise?
Oh yeah. All
Noise.
both.
Yes.
Yeah, John and
Okay.
what was his brother? Johnny and
I got the rectangle sponsorship
Jeff.
for
Johnny and Jeff.
the Cobra City tournament.
Really?
Well, those are our sponsors.
Okay.
Hey, is Cobra still playing?
Oh yeah.
Are you? Where at?
Cobra is eternal. We're
Craig?
Longfellow.
Cray Mondays, SLP Tuesdays, and Longfellow.
Is Longfellow where Brent Martin is?
Yeah, pretty much.
Is Mortimer still playing?
Yeah, you're not playing?
Oh yeah, they're on Mondays and Thursdays.
I haven't played with them in a couple years.
They need you.
5 or 6 years. Yeah, that was my first time ever playing with them.
Oh nice. They're getting way less stabby.
Yeah?
Yeah.
That's good. Still stabby, just less.
You know Little Joe Hansen. He plays with us. He DJ'd my wedding. Plays for Mortimer's.
Okay.
He gets like real fucking fast. Hey, you know what I'm talking about? He scored the first goal on you guys on Thursday. Anyways,
Not on Mortimer's.
he plays for Mortimer's.
Oh,
He
really?
plays Cobra too.
Oh. How are you? Lovely. Yeah.
Anyways, his dad's dying.
You about blue lights? Is this?
Yeah.
It's hard to turn away.
He's South High too.
We're closer. You can tell me we're closer.
So before he went Mortimer's, he had like a just South High hockey team, like my age, and he was playing with Gray and Aaron looking all you ejected.
Yeah.
And like Joe
That's when you
Hansen and
signed
me are
up
like
there?
good friends. And he has so much just rage in his heart. Like, he'll play, and he's a Cobra, but he'll play against us and just really fucking murder.
Just like, I know you guys, and I know your weaknesses.
Yeah.
Oh, no.
No, it's not even that. It just goes fucking red lightsaber. I love it.
That was the old
He's getting better.
guy Danny on Mexico.
I would say half the team. Half the
He
team.
hit John each in the throat.
Oh yeah, it sounds
and,
alright.
and John goes, Danny, we were just texting half an hour.
I know.
Yeah.
Your hands are clean.
He's like, I know, but we're playing Broomball.
Me and Ross are working on it. We're working on it.
Oh my God.
Exactly.
I know. That was like, yeah.
I told Ross that we took a picture together after the game. I don't know if you saw it. It's kind of a cool picture.
You did? I haven't seen that one yet.
Yeah,
sent it to me.
insisted on taking a group picture because it was such a
Monumental, like
contest.
just wonderful sportsmanship.
Big ginger guys that runs the tournament thing? Plays for Wolves.
We got Wolves places.
Big Jim plays for somebody. You know he's talking about.
I'm pretty sure he plays for Wolves. Wild Bunch was his team. She was just talking to him.
I'm representing.
Yes, he's good.
See?
I usually take my storm coaching garb off.
Yes. Yeah, like, oh man, he's gonna get
Besides
arrested.
all the sinus infections, man, you
I
can't
didn't see that.
Maybe.
Come on. How did I not
You're
get
already
that?
sounding a little different, so you can't quite
Yeah, that was a very sportsmanship type pick.
Look at me and Tom. See, look at me on top.
So cute.
Lovers. Exactly.
Lovers.
How did you not lock him down?
Generous.
He played
For the
there.
lifetime contract.
He's curious. We don't like
You got the last
cell
game,
swords.
or is it two?
No, I was not done. I was also with the medics.
Ah, yeah.
He's a Broomball.
Yeah, you can't trust me.
I will.
Nah,
It's funny.
Warmed
Well,
up, you stretched out, or what?
well, I'm gonna go coach the sports for most of their scrimmage and Dakota, Doug Boogarina.
Where's Hoover Arena?
It's the old Dakota in South St.
Oh, we had an AHA game there.
His stick is like
Collins out there with the vest and the whistle and recess and everything.
it is.
I think we had a Hoover. It was just,
We did a tournament over there earlier.
Oh,
I
nice.
nailed him.
George Floyd.
ready to run. Oh, yeah, we got next week today. Not that I'm busting it out there, but
I'm just first.
I realized my backup I had had since college.
I have
And I'm like, if I break my name was this section's going down to me.
I have 4. One of them is cracked and bad. I can really only use it for coaching. The other one, the tips are chipped on the end.
Oh, yeah.
I think I will use that. And then I got 2 more. One's brand.
I was like, I was like looking at the sticks, and I just kept walking down the price tags. I
Well,
was like,
I can do an intermediate and not time.
there you go. There you
And so
go.
then it ends up with
At the
a great
75 flex.
It's a little like, because if I get a bigger one and cut it, then it gets
Yeah.
so
75 flex is like money if you get that.
it's somewhere around. No, mine would be,
You know where it's
it's more better. Lower is more better.
Lower is,
I want a little bigger.
yeah.
So when you get
I
the,
used to rock like
not like you can do a one-time
back in high school.
a stiffer stick is
I would
better.
like be able to just lean on, like I would just fucking, lean on the
Did you ever
side.
We,
Synergies like really just coming out.
even in college, we'd buy like a half dozen sticks and they made
Yeah. We had like the 2Ps and the ice carbons, and then they like synergies were coming out, and I was like, synergies were like, those were pretty well established by the time I was in high school. Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, I used to use the Montreal in high school, the 9-layer blades. Those had super good flex, and they were more expensive, but they didn't break as easily.
Exactly.
They'd still chip off on,
Rock some, yeah,
Because there's a lot more of us than there are of
Those
these. No
were-
matter how
they
many
were
people
wood
you get to
sticks.
fucking sign up for this.
those were pretty tight. You rock some of those in high school.
So they started putting those in the interchangeable blades. Like well, whatever they
The
were.
Z-carbon was like a wood stick, but it was laminated, so it wasn't
They moved
really
the carbon
in the blade too, yeah. But I like the wood blades because that was like the best combo where you had like the composite shaft but a wood blade, a little better feel.
But you're how old?
What am I, 36?
Yeah, 47. So I think that was all after I was done with college. And so I didn't start buying that shit until Until I was probably playing the whole Bucks League. Yeah, we had like the league in Egan for a couple years and then we moved it here. Sundays.
I tried.
It was a solid scheme. We had refs.
I did a league here too.
There was always an Augsburg team with a bunch of 25-year-olds. And then there was a bunch of other teams like we had a bunch of guys from St. John's. A couple played varsity. Most of us played JV together. And then a couple that played club and good athletes.
Giving
players. That was our
a
squad.
person who doesn't have stats. That would be kind of fucked up.
Exactly. I say like
That's what for dinner. Sometimes it smells
Close
like.
to some kind of resolution. We are essentially all people. We're just like the ceremonial. On an interview, it's like, yes, we work with them. We give them.
here, put them in jail.
Yeah. Sticks at night.
They are not
Their
getting
sticks at
access.
$420. The bats. I'm like, nope. I was like walking out. I was like, can I get the one I got last time? It was like on sale, like for 2 years ago, bottom or something like
And
that.
that's the funny
And they
thing.
had one left. It was the right curve. It was the right flex. And I was like, yep,
We were
$180 or whatever it was. Still,
we were at a tournament where vouchers for 100. No, $50. Well, no, I think it was a $100 purchase, $50 off. And I told my parents, I was like, we got to use these in a week.
Yeah.
And so I was like, it's got to be 2 different transactions. So I'm like, let's go right after this game.
See the video and you're like,
Because we just got them and they expired within the week. So it's like everybody in my family needs one stick.
neither one.
Like, why don't you go buy one? I'll pick out that one. You get it and I'll figure out the rest. So that's what we did. So they bought one and then I bought $500 worth of sticks.
It's so difficult.
So like the two youngest can get about $100 to $120. It's just always interest.
Yeah.
That my independent are like, I'm not going to spend $200. Usually you can find a pretty good one for in the 112.
Yeah. I think that's it's like the CCM, like one of those.
$10 million of
180 or 170. That's what I'm playing now. I'm doing the same.
My daughter's like 3 shorter than me. She also did not have hers cut. She's playing
Like the laundry stick.
Well, she's on
Yeah.
the ones that
You can do I'm good with it. That's
Well, that's the thing is that you get into the corners.
Yeah. That's what it's, as long as you can handle it, like you gotta be able to handle it. I was like shorter. Mine's like good here. Mine's like here, and then you get on it, and it's like, oh yeah.
Kind of getting low, and you're like, wait a minute.
Yeah, like I'll buy a senior stick and still cut some off, you know, like.
And that's so the one that's all fucked
Because they
up.
say like they have the measurements on it, it's like, oh, 6'2", here's your height. I'm like, no, give me the 5'10".
Yeah, so you need a higher or a more flexible lower.
Because I cut it a little.
Yeah.
But that's like, we normally back now they've changed somewhat, but it's like back guys, I'd be rocking like the 100 stiffest you can get.
Well, when I fucked up the blade doing slab shots and everything, that was a senior that I cut, and I was like, this is a fucking board.
And I'm not in danger.
And it's fine if you're doing practice and you're front of us.
I haven't taken a slap shot since high school.
And then, you know, but I mean, all out of these standards of line.
My fucking neighborhood.
Oh yeah.
When I drive,
You need a coach.
stop walking.
You need a coach.
And then it's like, well, this thing's gonna be massive.
I'm getting rides to work from now on. I'm triggering my
I
entire
love
neighborhood right now just by
ripping
going to
flappers, but it's not
work.
worth it. This reward, when you're leaning into one, 3 inches behind
Follow
the
me around
left,
on the
that's sticking.
2 weeks ago, I got one at the point where like I was in the shooter spot. And I wound up and everybody like fucking flinched. It was right on the ice. I kind of twisted like
They've ruined my clavat.
and it rolled in.
Oh, no,
I was like, I'm not gonna fucking blast it like here on you guys.
It's fucking Monday Warriors out there ripping
And I can't do it
5%.
anymore. I'm like, I'm a person. Well,
Yeah, but you can come up in there. It's an open shot.
I can't wear this out there daylight anymore.
All these constants on that too.
Oh yeah.
But not when there's people.
Environmental health that does code for
Yeah, and now it's like chest high. You can't control your shit.
Oh yeah, I can't do that.
It's like I can't, you know?
Imagine a clapper to the chest.
It's so frightening.
That's how I was so cracked to rib one
Oh,
time.
I bet.
We got our porch is full of groceries that people are coming to get it. Dawn's
Kick
talking
saving
about
a
it. She's
bit.
like, hey, there's this thing. If families get like deported, but their kids are citizens, and they can stay here. Do you want to like take with us? Stuff is like, why do we have to have this scholarship?
Did Lipkin tell you about that's therapy?
I don't think you did.
This last week.
Was it 4-0 or what was it? It was 4-0, but we got like 2 empty net goals. But the point was, it's just like those guys were doing all the work.
Just ramping up, right?
They
Yelling.
were like putting just doing this the whole time.
man, yeah, hitting you in the- right in the
fucking
ribs.
back. Goes like this, like that.
Yeah,
like the butt
the
right
butt
in
end,
here.
right?
Are you kidding me? And they were just
Because
doing
that's all they
this.
can do, dude. It's all they have. And you
Which
put one
team
in.
was this? Fred's Tires. So the older Barry's.
And
KP.
You're on the new Bears, huh?
Yeah, Sway got him with a good one back. And then Sean Gibbons and Lipkin were like down low. He was kind of chasing Lipkin. And they started like talking to each other. And then I'm kind of like down low a little bit listening. And Sean goes, I'm going to fucking knock your teeth out, man.
have a nice day, right? He's probably laughing.
And Lipkin just walks away and he goes to Tito. This guy is
I'm not fighting.
Oh, this guy's
Hot as fucking Gordon.
knock your teeth out. He's like a 60-year-old. He says, yeah, like 50.
He is. Oh, he's got to be, mid-50s.
Old man strength
knock your
right
teeth
there.
out. Like, my God, man. Like,
That is an
all
old
they have
man.
is fear.
That's an old man comeback though.
Yeah.
All they have is
knock
fear.
your teeth
Yeah,
out.
but not your chicken.
Or you're
God,
like,
Grandpa. All right, shit.
Take your teeth out.
Kind of sounds like a prison.
Is it going to make me more attractive to you whenever
Are you hitting on me? Are you flirting?
Exactly.
It's strange. We don't need to beat this one.
Is Moose-
Not running on all cylinders. Not
But
running
it
on all
was just
cylinders.
like kind of shocking that it was still there.
Is Moosey on that 12U team?
10 years.
With,
That's just not.
like, is she on the 8 squad
Yep,
with
yeah.
I love how this guy
Colin,
moves around.
Cook, and
Yep. Cook Jenkins.
Gotta
Willa.
hold the ball.
She's a great
stick behind your back.
so fun to watch. Yeah.
It's probably in kind of
getting
bad.
so hard.
He's probably kind of hurt.
Her daughter,
Yeah,
her
I
sister
should do
used to
that
work
too.
on the 12U team.
Is she a beast in the
We
net?
converted her to a goalie last year.
Bobby's
She's
hurt.
great.
Okay.
She was like one of our best.
Bobby told me that he's like,
It's
it's getting kind of hard.
This is
Like the whole generation of women, bro.
I
We need a
was
goal
like-
at some
I was
point
like,
for this
yeah.
goal.
I go,
Just
yeah.
2 years.
And now she's probably not going to stick with me. I mean, they go to.
I know.
I hate to do the just wait
Okay,
thing.
so they got a
I'm
combo
yeah, this
team,
is
like a
getting
breakfast
kinda hard.
thing,
You're right.
probably going there.
Bobby's got a hamstring.
Yeah, my daughter Lucy
Getting hard has
loves
been hard.
playing goalie. So,
hard
Will
to-
and
it's
Lucy
hard
are
to-
friends, but then all of a
It's hard to
sudden,
play
like,
floorball.
6 months out of
Lucy will go
It's hard to play
to
floorball.
like storm goaltending
Yeah, on
days,
Sundays
and
or
then
whatever.
like we'll
back to good old days.
we'll fill in for the other team when the other team's practices, right?
Yeah.
If you want to come and play goalie,
We're doing a
bar and all
kid. We
the shit.
have a kid that didn't try out his goalie, but he's been playing bar. He's a great athlete.
Okay.
His dad coaches football in St. Louis. He's been chomping at the bit. You know, when you get a studio, he'll go in or whatever.
Yeah, yeah.
So he's gonna play tomorrow morning.
I'm selfishly like not voting for goalie. I'm like, I just love watching Lucy skate around and like do the stuff, and I'm like, man, I'm just gonna stand back there for a lot of the game.
Yeah.
Right? And you'll like flash leather back there, make some saves and stuff, but still it's so much more fun to see you just like knock other girls over and kick the puck and go score. Like, oh, it's awesome. I love that.
Yeah, totally. Well, she's
I stand back behind them like, yeah, that's my girl. Oh yeah.
My buddy coaches for Egan, and his son just had the goalie today. It was his game for the goalie.
Okay.
And he didn't do great.
Oh, and it
he
cycles
and he
around?
didn't like it. So I was like, he was like,
Yes, exactly.
Yeah, that's what real life experience.
yeah, he trained, everybody gets it, and it's like some kids like it, and like we want to do it again, and others, and he was like,
But on the boys, we got a lot of girls. A lot of kids.
Yep.
Caleb forgot his.
I got 2 sets of gloves.
Daniel forgot his helmet. Oh, jeez,
it's tough to forget.
no, you forget your helmet. How about a spare pair of paints?
How about your? I got some
I
giant.
did have these.
Well, I think you'd try them. You're really gonna.
One of the new kids saved it though.
Yeah.
One
My
thing is
concern is the
right.
gloves, but yeah, you need gloves. You don't need pants. Just run out there in your underwear.
Pantaloons.
Gonna whip it up.
What up?
Dangles
Dangles aren't really what wins those.
No,
These
they're
shit. You gotta get to the middle, bounce it off, and stuff.
Unless I got these.
Well, you gotta get it. Yeah, you gotta get it where it comes
Oh,
out.
Yeah.
which ones would you rather use?
It doesn't matter, but the other ones have way better like thumb protection.
Oh, I threw those other ones at him. But
Time's your first game tomorrow.
11:30. It's weird.
Yeah.
are those the ones he's got in the rig?
Weird to
Those
see
the
how
ones
it's
you
set
use
up.
normally?
He said there's no
Give me
like
those. That way,
parking lot warm
if
up.
you
I'm probably
until
gonna
we're
work
done.
up the hill and hook it down.
Yeah, across the fucking field.
Sure.
Yeah.
You don't have to. That's why I said you should give me the other one.
They're right here. We
I
stand
move it across the field.
Yeah, there will not be.
Plus, I get to see you guys play.
No,
Yeah.
no way.
It's crazy.
Right.
Wolf?
Yeah.
There you go. Everything going everything?
I got a pipe.
Poach some of those beers up on
Throws up or what?
Nice.
Wrap some stuff around it or
Well, I
what?
don't have any more heat parts, but I put more heat on
In
the
the room?
inside.
Yeah.
So I don't know. I hope I don't have to see it from the inside.
Want some grappa?
24 hours?
Want some grappino?
Are you getting Italian on me already?
One swig.
Yeah.
Make a lot of beer. So you would think you would just kind of fall in. I don't want you to touch your babies. So.
Have you had any Highlander juice yet?
No, I don't. Nope, I'm not gonna touch that stuff.
What is it, like 5%?
One little stick of that.
10%?
You liked it?
Oh yeah.
Good flavor.
10%?
You gotta be careful doing that with the chew it.
This is from France? The France thing?
No, it's the Highland, the
From
Italian
East Lake.
shit.
It's from East Lake
It's
liquor.
the Italian shit.
Yeah.
No, I got it in Italy.
Yeah,
It's
there you
imported.
go. There you go.
It's in the fancy section of
That was not in the field.
Richfield Liquors.
Oh, that was nice.
Bomb, dude.
That was good.
See that?
On
You should have
the
done the
power
rocket
play.
launcher. Should have done the rocket launcher.
Yeah, you
What's
should
the
have
combative?
selling one back
The other
at
guy
him.
did a fucking. He did a.
Like a bow and arrow. He scored?
He did.
I missed that.
Yeah. The blue guy.
All right, yeah.
So if you hit the heart rate, I think it's better.
One more beer.
Get down on the knee.
Oh, there's none left in there. So we're into your stock now.
You get down on the knee.
That's what we're
Yeah, you bet. I'll meet you there.
What is that?
His
probably just find
classic
each
assembly
other.
is in the guitar.
I've seen the guitar. Sadly, I've seen the guitar.
Tells his new guys if you score your first goal, you have to pump the ice.
No, I don't. No, that's just
Like Bobby Brown?
Just off the ice. Because I'm usually like down on my stomach when I score.
Yeah, for a sweet hand move or something.
No, definitely not that. I can only do that in scrimmages.
Did he tell you how he was like grabbing onto my jersey because his work so bad? I'm just kidding. It wasn't really a penalty.
I got.
I'll tell you that much for sure.
Well,
Yeah. Like it was just coming. Yeah, remember on the boards, right? And it just it popped up off my stomach and you were like 50-50.
Oh, yeah.
And then you had your stick and you were kind of doing like a swimming thing.
Yeah.
And I was like, we're running hard or whatever.
Okay.
And when I dished the ball over to Fell and he just hit the net.
I'm probably
And then
gonna
they
bring
called
my
the penalty. And I was like,
That's funny.
that's funny.
I don't, yeah.
I'm probably gonna
he said he was going.
It's too big.
bring my
You
shit
gotta
in there
roll
and change right before I
Oh, if Zeke is roughing. He's roughing. I do not have feelings.
Usually it gets fully
No,
ready.
That's what he wants. You're in Zeke's world.
Except for the
He did. He said, I was like, damn. That's where Sean Gibbons gets it from.
well, I think I'm just gonna
I told him the same. I told him the same.
I know.
I'm gonna roll out. I gotta get ready for coaching and then pond hockey.
Oh yeah, hey, I got a 6:20 alarm bell that's going to go off. So don't tell me what's happening to you.
Echo Park.
Driving to
That dude, Sway and I had so much fun. We were
girls 10U hockey.
I fell into the bench. I jumped clean over the boards and fell over.
Deep in your
No, you
All
can't.
right, good shit.
See you tomorrow?
Yeah, I showed this weekend.
I'm not going to coach when we make an appearance. Because Fuller's on the team now. So.
Well, you'll see Nate down there.
Oh, yeah.
Nate, this is you got a plan to play.
The long term stuff.
He brings his little lawn chair.
You want the print or you want the
turf for practice.
Oh, yeah. $10. I'm going to wear this for my entire life. What do they get that for you? What's that, 80? They were trying to like take over the crosshair. Homegrown town that already.
Yeah, I went, and then I got another one that's exactly the same, because next year they came out with the cherry and the spoon one. It's got the spoon and shit, and I was like, oh, I have to have that now. If I'm going to be on the verbs representing. You got to show them with the...
I never wear the shit. So fun. I accidentally wore my long underwear.
Eventually.
Is that the right stuff? I've never bought that. I didn't know what you were talking about. And I went into Quick Trip and I was like,
I'm just trying to figure out my
I
stuff.
just set my phone down. And my license. Just fine.
I gotta
No, you don't understand. You're saving me like
so
7 to 10
friends.
hours.
That's available.
What do we get in at? 5?
He always says yes,
It's
but
like 5 something.
that first.
Yeah.
They're like,
And I was like, well, he
10
said
to
that's what it should be.
They're like 10 to 12.
Get out. Yeah, just start running that stuff across the board.
Right? I already got another one coming in. Did you meet Corbin Tao?
Now I gotta let you know when I'm going to the cabin every time. Like, I'm making a run, man. What you need? How many crates?
The youngest daughter turns 18.
We didn't have the sleeves for one of them. Yeah. And I was like, oh, 5 or 6
They already had a birthday party with her dad.
And they got camera cash on the back.
I learned so much.
I'm just hanging out and then he gets cool bags. She feels her
Blackstones, like you can get crazy shit.
So this is like credit card points?
No,
Not just like those sweet fucking bags and stuff.
Don't get me started.
Marlboro bags.
You do like a lowrider bicycle?
I used to give them all to like one of my young Cobras.
Yeah, no, I've seen the power of these things.
Yeah. You gotta get a pretty penny worth of shit without much use.
Well, they cashed them all in for Garrett's wedding. Got a fucking Blackstone.
Oh, that's
I was in on that. I gave those boys a lot of
I've
points.
gone to Colorado Springs, and then my team's gone to
I have like 5 towers on my desk.
we bust.
I had a cash in it's like
Yeah. Wait, it's like scan shit or what?
Oh, you
There you go.
It's easier
It's
for
all that fancy shit now.
or it's just this.
Not like the
It's this code.
twist to win stuff.
It's easier if you just sit on a computer type.
Oh, he was out there. That was one of his teams.
Isn't it the worst when you miss an open net?
Oh, yeah.
God, good
Got
time.
sent down to the younger squads. One of the younger squads. So he's there to support.
Blizzard. Take the freeway run. South side of
Just get past 7 corners and I'm full sailing.
Not afraid, not out loud.
It's all based on how strong their neck is. Like, how should I listen?
Yeah, we were in our locker room.
Tenny's a real one.
Yeah, well, they were out in the open.
And they're playing so was Max's wife, because I wasn't playing with him.
Shorzy,
And,
Shorzy.
Max's gal,
I just saw it for the first time this weekend. Like 4 episodes.
It's good stuff.
Somebody was like, "Let's
we're not
watch
talking
this,"
about
and I was like, "Okay." Yeah.
It's my
Just
I was crying.
half of my shirt. Hey, try it.
Oh man, give your balls a touch. I was
soundtrack's
like, "Oh my god,
insane.
give your balls a touch."
You watch crazy
Canadian shit, dude.
No, that is like my shit.
Yeah,
You think about
the
coaching or
extras
something.
So
Do you know
funny.
Kiso is the writer? Right?
Okay.
They started with Letterkenny's,
Okay.
which is
So I can go backwards in this? I can do like a
Watch
prequel?
Shoresy's back. Shoresy's back. And it's like
Like smoking hot chicks and Shorzy. I was like,
and it's low key, something like it's low key, super liberal, it's subversive.
yeah.
You know, like they got native chicks and everything.
It talks so quick. I'm like, I gotta watch that again. So I can close caption on.
Take notes. Like,
You understand why my chirp is the way it is, because it's like it's half that.
Oh man. What
But
was
like,
it?
definitely watch Letterkenny. And they're like 20-minute episodes. So they started as like a YouTube,
blasting
like
through.
they started as like a YouTube channel, like Letterkenny, and they developed into a show.
I'll see you later.
Wins all his awards. They started Shoresy. Shoresy's a spin-off from Letterkenny. Because Letterkenny's just about this town where there's like hicks, hockey players, skids, from
Okay.
natives or whatever. So the hockey was
Canada?